Hi guys, welcome back. The sixth puzzle is a tectonic with a 1 star, and this will be number 1721. In this additional with extra Sudokus of the today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 8th, 2020. Yes. A tectonic with a 1 star. So let's get started. And I'm looking for the single box. Where's the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Then do we have a dual box? We have a dual box here. 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. More dual boxes here. Dual box, the 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. No triple boxes, I think. No. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark them. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, only 2 boxes left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means no. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. And this box cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. That means I have here 2 boxes with the 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. That means that this box cannot be a 3. So this box should be a 3. Let me see. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 5. Let me mark them. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Triple box. 1 box left should be a 1. We have a 1 now, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes, 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be 4 or 5, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, so it must be a 1. Yes. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so this box can be a 1, or that box can be a 1. Let me think. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means no. It's a 3, yes. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 in this dual box. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 3. The 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Yeah. That means that this box cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 here or 1 there. That box cannot be a 1. Alright? So one of these 3 boxes must be a 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any one in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be a 2, and this should be a 1. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them, 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. That means the other 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. So I cannot place a 5 here. This should be a 1, yes. And this should be a 5. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes surrounding 5 cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes as a pair with the 3. 3 and a 5. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 and also cannot be a 5. So I need to eliminate this 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. I cannot place a 5 here because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 2. Wait, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, alright. That means that I cannot place a 2 here because we have a 2 and a 4 here in one of those 2 boxes. So this must be a 5 and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there as a pair with the 3. Yeah. So we have a pair, 1 and a 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. 1 box left for the 4. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 4. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means those 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left for the 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. That means those two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 now, and I've marked those two boxes with a 4. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. So this should be the 4. And I've eliminated the 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. So one box left for the 5 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them, 3 and a 4. Yeah. 3, 4, 3, 4. Alright. Am I stuck now? That's the question. 2, 3, 4. Suppose this box should be a 4. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. But we have a 4 here. So this is not the solution. This should be a 3 and this should be a 4. So those 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. You need to think a lot. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last Tectonic of today. So see you later. Bye bye for now.